Alright, class. Oh, shit. Alrighty, class. I'm just going to do a couple of these here for us. Just get rid of some old notes. Alright, so for all of these, it's a pretty basic formula. It is 8th grade, maybe 7th grade math, depending on when you took it. M1V1 equals M2V2. It's just basic algebra. We're looking for the thing we don't know and then solving for it. So before I even look at the problem, I'm going to get all my variables set up. Equals M2, B2 equals. Great. Now I'm going to read the problem. What is the molarity of 10 liters of a new solution? So this is going to be my new thing. So the second thing I'm creating that was made by starting with 2 liters at 4.7. So I started with 2 liters and I have 4.7 molar and I ended with 10 liters. What is going to be the molarity of that? Okay, so this is my internalization right now. I've added a whole bunch, essentially, of I've diluted this, right? Because my original volume was 2 liters, so this number should also be smaller, right? So that's just a mental thing. That's just coming off the top of my head. So now I'm just thinking, okay, my answer should be smaller than 4.7. So now I'm just filling the blanks. M1 is, right, 4.7. 4.7. My V1 is 2. Oops, didn't need to do that. 2. My M2 is, I don't know. And my V2 is 10. So if this helps, show where everything is going. Just find that formula. Great. Now I want to solve for x. I need to get x alone. So this one works out pretty easily. If I'm multiplying by 10 on this side, I want to divide by 10. All right, I'll write this. So I'm going to have a new formula. It says 4.7 times 2 divided by 10 equals my x. Let's see what that is. 4.7 times 2. 4.7 times 2 equals divided by 10. Cool. So my new molarity, x is going to equal, let me put this problem up here. X equals, and what's the unit I'm going to be using? Molar. So let's go ahead and check that out. 0.94 molar. 0.94 molar. Sweet. That's it.